To the video for the Global CRM mobile app walkthrough. In this video, I will discuss some of the features on our Global CRM mobile app. You can use this app on any smartphone or tablet or even computer. Today, I will be walking through this on my computer. So as I mentioned, you could save the web address to either a tablet or smartphone and access this simply by using those devices. You will use the exact same username and password that you use when you access the main Global CRM site. Once you have signed in, you will be brought to the Salesperson homepage, and that includes 5 icons. The first is the dashboard, the second is contacts, third companies, fourth opportunities, and 5 leads. I'll be discussing each of these icons and some of the functionality included in each of those. The first is the dashboard. When you log on to the main Global CRM, you are brought to the interactive dashboard. You have that same access on your mobile app. Once you hit dashboard, you're brought to another screen and you would simply click Launch Dashboard. As mentioned, it will open up the exact same view that you have when you first open up your Global CRM on the main site. Just the same, these graphs are interactive. You can drill down, you can change views, and you can analyze the data that is presented here. This opens up in a separate tab. So if you want to close the dashboard, you simply X out of the window and you're brought back to the actual application for Global CRM mobile app. It's very important that when you want to go back in the mobile app that you do not hit your back arrow, but instead always the home button. By clicking home, you're brought back to the home page. Next, I will discuss contacts. When you click contacts, you are brought to a sales contact search screen. You can search by first name, last name, company, email, zip, or country. This is an inclusive search. So, for example, if I would type in @promockbuilt.com and hit search, it will search for anyone that includes @promockbuilt.com in their email address. It brings then a list of contacts in which their email address includes @promockbuilt.com or whatever your inclusive search was. I can drill down to look at a specific contact simply either by highlighting the row and hitting detail or by clicking on the hyperlink of their name. Once I'm on this screen, I can review the contact detail as well as edit certain ones if need be. So I would be able to edit any of these fields. Anything with a red star, as per the main site, is mandatory, so you cannot delete it and leave it blank. On the top of the screen, we have 4 icons. The first is a telephone. If I'm using this from my mobile phone, clicking the telephone would send a call to the office phone number if that is populated. The second looks like an iPhone. If mobile phone is populated and you click this from your telephone, you will then generate a call to the mobile phone. Third is an envelope. Again, if you click this, an email address is populated, it will open up an email so that you can start working on an email to send to this person. The fourth button is the back arrow. If I want to return to the home screen, I can simply hit home, but if I want to go back to my search results, I can hit this back arrow. I can then either search again for a new contact, or I can hit home and return to my home page. Third is companies. When I hit the Companies tab, I'm brought to a company search. I can search by company, city, state, zip, or country. Just the same, it is an inclusive search. So if I only type in a certain piece of information, when I run my search, it will look for that. When I search on ProMock, it brings me back any company whose name includes the word Promock in it. Again, I get a list of those companies. I can either highlight and hit detail, or I can click on the hyperlink to open up the company record. From here, I have many options. I can review the contacts, review their open opportunities. I can review competitor equipment or Promock equipment if this information is populated. I can review their leads or interactions. If I find that in their contacts, they're missing someone, I can even create a quick contact from the screen. For example, if I hit quick contact, I have the similar form to what I have in the main global CRM site. I would simply fill out the email and name and hit add, and that record would be created. I can hit back to return to my company record. I could also hit the map at the top of the options. By clicking map, it will bring up the address in a Google map. Again, this one is opened up on a separate tab, so I'll hit X. And I'm going to hit back to return to my main list. If the specific company I am not looking for comes up on my return, I also have the option to create a new company in my mobile application, simply by hitting New Company. I fill out all the necessary information, company, address, city, country, and phone, and I would hit Save, and the record would be created. Back on the main search screen, we also have something called Search Nearby. By clicking this, what it will do is it will search for a nearby radius to your geographical location. So by searching on Search Nearby, right now my zip code is 41011. I'm in the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky area. So what it ended up doing was pulling back any customers in our database who are in that general vicinity. I also have the option of taking this result and clicking Show on Map. And it will show where I am in relation to all the companies that it pulled back by my location search. Remember, anything with the C is simply our customer, but anything with a $sign means they have an open inventory, an open opportunity. I'm going to click Home to go back to the main screen now. Our fourth option is Opportunities. When I click this, any salesperson assigned to my division will be pulled down in the drop-down list. I can simply select a salesperson, and if they have any open opportunities, those will become visible to me. I have a quick overview of the opportunity, simply the description, the company, estimated value, close date, and what the stage is. I can simply click on the description hyperlink, and it will open up the complete detail of the opportunity. Here I can edit a few fields, such as description, status, stage, estimated value, close percentage, project probability, close date, and next step. I cannot edit the company information or the contact information. I can, though, mark this as protected or NDA applies or as the hot list if needed. I could also review the company or contact simply by hitting the hyperlinks attached to the opportunity. And if need be, I could add an interaction to record with this opportunity. The final one is leads. Again, I will select a specific salesperson, and then I will get the list of leads that they have in Global CRM. Similar to with opportunities, I have an overview of the lead description, the company, the contact. Here I have the assigned date and the follow-up date. I can now click on the lead description hyperlink and open up the lead completely. I can edit certain fields in this application, such as description, status, quality, follow-up date, planned installation date, and product. Again, I cannot edit the company or contact, and I cannot edit the source from this screen, but I could drill down and look at the company or contact record if I would like to. I also can add an interaction again, just the same with opportunities. When I am finished using the mobile app and I'd like to log out, instead of simply Xing out, there is a little door button at the top to log out. Simply log out, and that will bring you back to the sign-on screen. Thank you for listening to this quick overview of the Global CRM mobile app.